Hey guys, what's going on? So I've been requested to make this video a couple times, so I figured it's finally time to make this video. So this is going to be how to remove the wire and reinstall it for your battery on the 750, 850, and 1000 series robots. Now this will be similar for the 700 and the regular 750 non-_N series. So if you follow these tips, it should help you just fine. So first thing we're going to do, we need a Phillips head. We're going to remove the 1 or 2 screws depending on the model you have. Flip that to the side. Go ahead and pull your battery out. Now this is the part that everybody's asking about. How do I remove this? Apparently people are having issues. Well, you can come in here and you can grab it with your fingers and pull up, and there you go. Reinstall it by pushing down and clicking. Say you have bigger hands and you can't get in there, get you a flathead. There's a little tab right here. Let me see if I can get you a better shot of that. Okay, there you go. So there is a little tab right here. Just push up a little bit, grab the wire, and there you have it. Reinstalling. Say you have big hands and you're having issues installing. Put the flathead right in the back of the clip, just like this, and work it down slow. If not, you'll drop off like that. And once you get it near there, push it down. There you have it. Alright guys, this was a super simple, easy video. I hope it helped y'all out. Also, you can do it one-handed like I just did. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you have any video requests, I'd love to hear them, so comment those as well. If you like this video, hit that thumb up because it really helps the channel out. And subscribe for more Shark Ion and other robot vacuum cleaner videos. Oh, a quick tip, put your wire to the side when you install it. It'll make it drop down a lot easier. And now you can just reinstall a Phillips head screw, and you're good to go.